Welcome to ClarityGrit, where we break down the psychology of growth, confidence, and self-respect. Let me ask you something. Have you been feeling tired all the time and motivated, low on energy, both mentally and physically? You wake up without drive, avoid challenges, and deep down, you don't feel like yourself anymore. It's not just in your head. It could be a sign of low testosterone. Testosterone isn't just about muscles or masculinity. It's the hormone that fuels your confidence, focus, and discipline. It shapes how you respond to challenges, how motivated you feel, and how you carry yourself in life. When it drops, your energy, ambition, and sense of purpose start fading too. You stop chasing, stop building, and slowly lose that inner fire that once made you unstoppable. But here's the good news: you can fix it. You can rebuild that fire naturally. And no, it doesn't take steroids or expensive supplements. It takes awareness, habits, and consistency. So let's talk about how to boost your testosterone the right way, fast, naturally, and effectively. Let's start with the first step. You need to fix your sleep. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's your body's reset button. Most of your testosterone is produced while you're asleep, especially during deep sleep. That means if you're sleeping 5 hours a night and waking up tired, you're literally robbing your body of the hormone that drives your energy and focus. A study found that men who sleep less than 6 hours a night can lose up to 15 to 20% of their testosterone compared to those who sleep properly. That's huge. It's like draining your motivation tank before the day even starts. So start treating sleep like part of your training. Go to bed at the same time. Keep your room dark, cold, and quiet. No scrolling, no late night snacks, no overthinking. If you want to boost your testosterone, start by respecting your rest, because a well-rested man is a powerful man. Next, train your body like it was designed to move. You don't need fancy workouts. You just need intensity and consistency. Testosterone increases when your body is challenged, especially through strength training, sprints, or any form of high-effort movement. Lifting heavy weights, push-ups, pull-ups, and squats don't just build muscle. They build dominance chemicals in your body. Think of your body as a signal machine. When you sit all day, your body says, "I don't need power." When you move, push, and lift, your body says, "I need strength. Let's produce more testosterone." That's how you awaken your physical drive. Even short, intense sessions can do wonders. You don't need to live in the gym. Just move with purpose. Train like you're preparing for life, because you are. Third, control your stress. Chronic stress is testosterone's biggest enemy. When you're stressed all the time, your body produces cortisol, the stress hormone, which directly lowers testosterone. It's your body's way of choosing survival over growth. Think about it. When you're constantly anxious, angry, or overthinking, your body is in defense mode. It's not focused on strength, confidence, or attraction. It's focused on surviving. That's why peace is powerful. Learning to calm your mind, to breathe, and to take breaks, that's not weakness. It's optimization. When you manage stress, you allow your body to focus on growth again. Meditation, cold showers, deep breathing, and walks in nature, all of these reset your nervous system. And when your mind relaxes, your hormones rebalance. Fourth, fix your nutrition and lifestyle. You can't boost testosterone if you're eating like garbage. Your body needs the right building blocks to produce it. That means enough healthy fats, protein, and micronutrients. Testosterone loves zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. So eat eggs, beef, salmon, nuts, olive oil, and leafy greens. Get sunlight, stay hydrated, and avoid what kills it: sugar, processed food, alcohol, and constant overeating. And here's something most people don't talk about: posture and habits. Slouching all day, scrolling endlessly, living passively, these things silently kill your drive. Stand tall, take up space, speak with clarity, and move with intention. Your body language signals your brain. When you act strong, your brain releases chemicals that make you feel strong. Confidence literally begins with how you carry yourself. Finally, take your purpose seriously. Testosterone thrives when you live with direction. When you have a mission that pushes you forward, your body responds. Because your biology rewards purpose with energy. Every time you chase something meaningful, a goal, a skill, a dream, your testosterone follows your focus. If you drift through life aimlessly, your energy fades. But when you wake up with a reason to move, to build, to fight for something, that's when your body comes alive again. So, let's bring it all together. You don't need shortcuts to boost testosterone. You need to live like someone who deserves high testosterone. Sleep deeply, train hard, eat real food, stay calm, chase purpose. That's it. Testosterone isn't just about being manly. It's about being alive, focused, driven, and in control. It's about taking back the power that laziness, stress, and distraction have stolen from you. When you live right, your hormones align with your actions. And once that happens, your energy, confidence, and self-respect explode. You start walking differently, talking differently, and thinking differently because you feel like yourself again. If this message hit you, don't just scroll away. Comment below which habit you're going to start working on today. Give this video a like if it helped you understand yourself better. And subscribe for more deep conversations about psychology, confidence, and growth. This is ClarityGrit. Stay strong, stay clear, and keep growing.